Yo, gone on some me, Ashafo, Unia about Tina baby, the sexy don't know. The Kia Tina, I'll be any more Facebook. So what's on more Facebook about it? Type it, Mommy, Ekia love, will be home on Facebook. And now person who share more Instagram, so Tina baby 54. Yes, Menko and someone made the brain more and then so. Ashafo, you know, bear my call, Cassie. I am so quite on the sack or dear, or moon tamoon shada financing. And so I might call Cassie, I'll grantee interviewer, Beku Santana show so. And I'll call you know, a Beku Bisano and some baby or Casse. I say, oh, fresh dear, now the phone money manager, Angel Town. And not always expect this dear or Nino start here to the big corner dear co studio now or no it's here or now faka no the dear or now sometimes a bit my friend won't show or qua on Jennifer we will come to qua bridge or no qua or no between any plane ticket ni beer no aqua show ni free ama dear but dear I know say or no edunu so na ohia sa akode maybe mona na otwetwe ne ho so to me sending a message cross Ken Sack hello bro ebia it say ana be so sa akode be used to be 10 years and sa I know I reply in messages no therefore we dey me the video no and say ma ye nua kwa okese ekeka wo okay FM ya Beku Santana show awoye o okay FM ye fa no kwan so jojo me dey beto screen this is ya monhwe video this is ya
you don't want to hear his name.
Oh wow. See, I'm one of the biggest fans of Sack. The thing is, you know, the love that I show Sack don't show that love back. And
so show love to Sack, but they don't show love back to you.
So much love. And like you know, I feel say there are some things that there are some people you don't have to go through anybody to get to them. Yeah. And I don't think I should go through somebody to get to Sarkodie.
Do you have to go through Angel Town before you see it?
Sometimes we'll send a message, sometimes no response.
Sometimes
it will take a long time. You know, we are human beings.
And yeah, we're busy.
And I make us say, oh, me, but at least I beg you say, me fans say, send a message. That's why he's busy. At least let him know, say, oh, I'm busy, I'll get back to you. Even if you can't do that, get back to him at the later time now. Why okay?
Who send me a Sack message and it taking how long as I not responding?
You know, I don't think that we should go on with this Sack thing. Me, I love Sack. You know, I love whatever he does, but
he doesn't love you back.
I feel like he doesn't show the same love back, and that be my pain. I have nothing against him. Me and Sack will go a long way. When nobody will take Sack to studio, I would take Sack to studio. I know him before he became Sack. So the love I have shown him, no, I deserve that love back. And anybody in the industry, I have put people on.
Is that why I see any Shatta why fine after the bottle?
Oh no. Shatta no, me the Shatta see. All the hula balloon they go on with me and Shatta, it be social media. Whenever Shatta see me, the love in the show be massive. So me I feel say, you know, if the guy they feel me,
so Shatta they show you more love past Sarkodie.
Of course, for now. See, industry there's no love. Let me tell you, the only person I can see.
You get love from Stonebwoy.
No, let me tell you. Apart from Stonebwoy, you know, most of these guys they laugh at you, but behind it, there is hate. So me, I they relate with Stonebwoy more than anybody. But the Sack issue, we have to really get to the point. Say, me, I have done a lot for Sack. I have done more shows. To the level say me, we travel go do show for Young Kibi. Me now my money, I take book tickets back. I didn't take them penny. I've done shows for him all over. So if you show me that respect back, nothing I want from him. Just oh wow, why send him a message? Oh make I respond. Wow. One time you me sending the beat also wow. This beat I think say when we do this it will be better. And we did the Yakubu and it was a bang. What did I say? That was love, but I think say when people get to some level, you see their real colors and Charlie. I am not scared to say my mind. Say, you know, I'm not.
Oh, you're senior. You're senior.
I'm not happy with the way
you are keen. You are keen long time.
That is the thing.
You speak your mind.
I show love, you show love back. If you don't show me love, there's no way I will show you love again.
So now you know go show Sack love again.
You know be Sack. If everybody way they refuse to show love, you have to not show him love. What they are?
I show for some video na wie mo hu some a eni abema otonyo my friend of kwa kesi a obi a friend abodam o kanedian abodam no don sabo timi say kwa kesi ke kan wa be ku Santana Chio no so mahwe aba me twaso akomene story a ye papa kum chacha prophet kum chacha ye nia abema ono se presenter wo KFM my friend Halifax one ye papa kum chacha one Bukom Banku omko ho ekoye program ho na omko ye no na Bukom Banku be se afie twemu no Bukom Banku started so opono ho oye tuntum ti se o da de sen to no sa na Bukom Banku ne kalati na se no wa ye ti se broni Bukom Banku started so bleaching na man for kan ho nsem bebre no ye na so o asam de wa man for kan no obejai because of the way a man for canantin ma Bukom Banku jai ba ne normal color na say no as I was akoba do you know what first no why pono was in sacra be say grow short eyelashes or na man no wash short sneaker be no ye no what say oba say am so kwa Nigeria ni abrantie na wadani ne ho oba ye friend Bobrisky no em say Bukom Banku sa na person okoye ne de no na ya papa kum chacha e catch the Bukom Banku say we hear deliverance and kasa I just say Oma organize a very big conference the program now more friend Bukom Banku near the next ho near bompire mana and sana dear had Bukom Banku no ejai or patch say Bukom Banku a yenimu no Bukom Banku wabodam like we because Bukom Banku is not the same Bukom Banku yenimu no enu na was starting asa pon ho a wo share lash lashes so de e man anka yenim so mo share lashes they say Bukom Banku starting share lash mo una hey ajofo mo share video ni zia
do what you preach.
Thank you. So that's it. And obi biala o de semana ana wo de bibi epo ho a wo de po body no e bone kase pa
Really?
E bone kase pa wo Bible mo wo kan quotation ni o Lamentation chapter 4 verse 8 ya o say afedie ebedu ba bi no so wa po wo ho awie no afedie onwanim ebebre asinjebidie tieni yo afe be ya kakra no wo po wo ho wi a wo so wanim no ebe sesa ye tise jebidie na won a wo hu mro no so no ehu na wo redi ya befem fam no mpe ho na achen aye wenchinsi dua eti ebedu ba bi a minia Bukom Banku ansesa na dwen na wan sakra na dwen a Bible say ebedu ba bi a ne honam no ebeye tuntum tise jebidie ebeye bidie pa beye black a wo bi hu nakora enya de a wo bi hu no etimi soft kum chacha de Bukom Banku yo bi a me penasam me dono ba sam ni na hia so yisu die de makatra me say de di kan wa ye Kristo ni so ye kenemoni no onfanyame yie because I de o kan nipa de utumi wu na utumi wu kyena onfanyame yie na wonyai ahopono a wo pono enye ena ayi na hye nani no ye friend saying hi e de mo kan say de hye nani no
And what boy then?
eyelashes.
Thank you.
Eyelashes na hye nani no so on say we no eye man na hye eye man na hye etiminia Bukom enna odifu kum chacha me catch na say onyai say eyelashes na hye na ahopo no onyai etiye be wie so ya esa me bompai na me deliver no say
now catch you also here deliver.
Oh, everybody needs somebody.
Maybe you see that I'm crazy.
Everybody needs somebody. So Bukom Banku and here big deliverance. It's not small deliverance. So Bukom Banku, I tell you the truth today. Hello, today say Bukombe and Kumis of Kumchacha Mekase. Or your food deliverance pa because yen deliver Bukombe and Ku. I'm not Bukombe and Ku to me as standard junior. Me more time. Sabe, Miss of Kumchacha, Mrs. Sama Junior, me woo and Yame Benjamin. Someone standard junior. Oh, who are Bacobo on some jam.
Samwako akoshe Bukumbanku ene Kumchacha. Video no makoshe bi moten sama ya papa kumchacha akeka ewo OK FM eye Halifax ne show no so no afo ensema me de bre mo Ghana sensem so no aha ena tina baby ahofe the sexy dondon only blogger ne ho fe a osanso Peter Kala aha ena ensem hwehwe me de bre mo no aha na me de mbesi Midamasi, Mr. Mo koso and subscribe or your YouTube channel no so a Flex Entertainment na de bia meji mekunya na me de nsem de we e de abramo makramo de mo din bye.